Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah with Mobility 316, and what I'm going to do is a little quick 2-minute video here, show you the basics of this van, and then we'll get to a longer video. But it's got the rear entry, manual ramp and door. I pinch and I flip on both sides, and then I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. Super simple to do. Got the upgraded Q-strength tie downs. This will hold a gurney or a stretcher. The 2+2 seating, 2 seats up front, 2 in the rear. Got our spare tire, got our rear air controls, real nice dash, plenty of cup holders, plug-ins. Nice, clean, tinted windows. Rear tires are about 7/32. The front ones are dang near new. It's got the black interior, cloth seating. Nice and clean. I'm a non-smoker, no smoke signs, any signs of smoke. Got the 3.6 V6 engine, idle smooth. No signs of any damage or leaks underneath the van. Super clean. This is not all rusted out. No signs of any leaks or rust or anything like that, you know, from a flood or an accident. I'll show you the Carfax real quick. It's got a clean Carfax, shows 1 owner, no accidents or damage, under the full factory warranty from Dodge until 7/9/2024 or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. So still got the powertrain warranty specs on it, brand new conversion, 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. So just this real quick video for you, for you people that don't like to sit here and watch a 15-minute video. I get it. Now, for you people that are like me and are super detailed and say, I'm not spending 40 grand unless I know all about this van. Let's go. Hey, we're gonna start over again here. Jeremiah, Mobility 316. Got our rear entry, manual ramp and door. Easy to operate, low cost to maintain. Pinch and I flip. Got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch and I flip. I can take this conversion to the ground using only my index finger. Check it out. It's 34-inch wide conversion. It's 4 inches wider than most side entries, so if you're wanting to haul a wider chair or chairs, this might be a good option for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out of your vehicle. You're stuck. Not the case with the rear entry. Rear entry have more ground clearance to get over rougher terrain, including snow drifts this time of year. And they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the reasons I prefer the rear over the side, but if you're looking for a side entry, let me know. We sell both. 800-pound weight capacity, does taper down to about 32 inches of width here. Got about 56 inches of headroom. It's got the 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney, or a stretcher. Got our upgraded Q-strength tie-downs. Those are high dollar. Got your shoulder harness there, got your spare tire. Headliner's in great shape, no cracks no stains on the ceiling or anything like that. We can even put a 3rd row seat in here. They'll flip down when it's rear bench, flip up when it's not in use, so you can potentially haul 6 plus a wheelchair. We can install flip base seats if needed. They'll flip up on their sides to create more room in the canal there. My point is, let me know your measurements. Let me know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Got your tie-down warranty and information there. Got your plug-ins for your electronics. Dual climate control, rear air. Got your cup holders there. Got more cup holders in the door. Dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel controls, so you can keep your eyes on the road. You can sync up your phone there. So when you got everybody secure, come back out. Just reverse the process. Again, 1 finger. Super simple to do. Low cost to maintain. And our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, our competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say. I mean, what do you expect them to say? I want you to ask them their warranty, though. They're probably going to tell you 3 years, 36,000 miles. So if theirs goes 36,000 miles and ours goes unlimited miles, you tell me who has the better built conversion. Very clean exterior. The rear tires are about 7/32, so they still got some good meat on them. Front tires are almost brand new. They're both Yokohama brand, so a good name brand tire. Very clean van. It's hard to find a dent or a scratch in this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's sure not far from it. Very low miles, only 38,000 miles on it. Thing looks dang near brand new inside and out. I hand pick every single one of our vehicles. I am the owner of this company. I am buying from your perspective. I'm not buying a vehicle with salvage title. I don't want flood damage. I don't want a clunker. I want a nice clean van, and I'll spend a little bit more money to buy good chassis so I don't have to mess with problems down the road. So yeah, I'm not some guy buying for a company. I'm the owner. This is my money. So we always show you the VIN number. Make sure you get a video of that VIN number. The reason I say that, I had a guy call me the other day. He said one of my vans was on for sale on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, and the guy was selling it for $8,200. Had some story about how he loved helping old people. Guess what? That was a $45,000 van on my website. He just took pictures of it and trying to get someone to send him a deposit, send him some money, and once you do, he'll disappear off the face of the earth. So tell him you want a video of that VIN number sticker over there. He cannot produce that because he didn't have the van. That'll help you eye out scammers real quick. What we do with that VIN number, we also run a Carfax on every vehicle before we buy. One owner, no accidents or damage, last owned as a commercial vehicle. I like that, means it's been adult driven, hasn't been smoked in, no kids, no pets in it. Hey, I like kids and pets, but I also know they can be a little messy sometimes, so that's why I love these commercial vehicles. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. And as Carfax shows, this vehicle, like I mentioned, in the 7/9 of 19 when it went into service, meets the specs to be under the full Dodge powertrain warranty until 7/9/2024 or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Look at their reputation and reviews. Look at us on eBay. 1,463 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. I say that's a pretty good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. See us here on Google. We got our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. I have people all the time. I hear stories like I talked about, Craigslist or Facebook. They buy from a private individual and it's just a deal too good to be true. Well, they end up getting scammed out of their life savings. They end up buying a complete lemon, a van they can't even get a title for because it might be stolen. So if you're buying from a private individual, you better know what you're doing. Or they end up buying from these companies. I see them online. They've got 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews, and they buy a van that's got flood damage, bent frame, you name it. I've heard it all. So if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vans, you call those 1 and 2 and 3-star dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years now, I look forward to your call. All right, back to the van. We got the 2 keys and the keyless entry. As I open up the van inside, super clean. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And as I get in to turn the van on, you see 38,352 miles on it. Kind of hard to see with that sun glare. There we go. And you can see all the dummy lights. They work and they all go out. So there's no check engine lights on, no airbag. Dang near got a full tank of gas right now. Like I mentioned, we got our backup camera, the dual climate control, and the rear air. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors and windows, power locks. I'm showing you the mirrors and windows working right now, moving. Done the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, replace fluids as necessary. Taking these on a road test, check the tires. My point is, and I hope you can tell by my videos, I'm even showing you the back vents back there. Hope you can tell by my videos, we are very thorough in everything we do. So let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. And again, as I crawl underneath the van, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any rust from being in a flood or being up north in the rust belt. No signs of any bent metal, like I said, and no signs of any fluid leaks. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume just because it's got 38,000 miles on it. They assume because it looks good in pictures. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. And that's the most dangerous thing you can do. So what I want you to do, whether it's a private individual or another dealership, I want you to go check them out. I want you to compare me to them, and I want you to ask yourself, do they show me their reputation online so I know I'm buying from a reputable dealer, a reputable person? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage? Do they get on their hands and knees and lay on the cement and even bother getting pictures, much less detailed videos of the undercarriage, so you know exactly what you're getting? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please, I beg you, compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you end up buying a vehicle that got frame damage from an accident or a flood, or you can't get a title for it because it's who knows why. You cannot register it in your state if that happens. If you buy a vehicle that you can't register, you just bought a vehicle you can't even drive. So do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. If they're really going to ask you to spend $30,000, $40,000 without even seeing the van in person, demand that detailed video. Demand a Carfax report, not some cheap knockoff. Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I do that because I want to know what I'm buying, and more importantly, I want you to know what you're getting. 3rd. We talked about this a little bit earlier. Get online, do your due diligence, find out who you're buying from, find out who's on the other end of that phone, that computer. Make sure you know exactly what you're getting. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. And then finally, demand a warranty. We do not sell anything as is. Every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty. We stand behind our product. We make sure they come with a warranty. Demand that warranty. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. I'll zip it up to 70 miles an hour here. You can see that steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. 70 miles an hour, no problem. Runs and drives dang near like a brand new van, very clean. I do keep in mind, does have the specs for the conversion warranty and the remaining powertrain warranty. We do sell long-term warranties that cover bumper to bumper type. So if you're interested in one of those, they go anywhere from 90 days all the way out to 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they've hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So next thing you know, once you add up all their hidden fees, once you add up the shipping, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about shipping and hidden fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. And my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for is transparency is the most important thing when doing business, especially in the used car business. So if someone's not being transparent from the get-go, there's a really good chance that there's other things they're hiding. So be aware of that when you're out shopping. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Now, if texting is easier for you, here's my cell phone, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. And when I came down the ramp there, I want to remind you, gave it a nice hard brake. There was no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. Now, back to that phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person that's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman, give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do take trade-ins from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicles. Call me, I can explain how that works. And yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone. We're happy to take an application over the phone. And if you have made it to the end of our video, hey, thanks for sticking with us. I know it's a long video, but it's a lot of information, and it's a big purchase. I get that. Hey, give us a like on YouTube. We'd really appreciate that. If you want to be the first to see all of our upcoming videos, give us a follow. You'll see those videos before anybody else. And then if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free Carfax reports, free shipping, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough mobility dealer in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thanks for checking out Mobility 316, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.